Here's another tip on kitchen safety: cleaning your food contact surfaces in your equipment. Did you know routine cleaning of these surfaces is necessary to prevent the growth of bacteria? We'll show you today on how to mix a simple solution made out of a household item to clean and sanitize all the areas in your kitchen. Here's what we'll begin with. I have a large 6-quart container. I'm going to fill it up to 4 quarts, that's a gallon. I have a tablespoon, I have a clean towel, and I have a standard household bleach. In this instance, you would not want to use any other type of bleach than your standard household bleach. For instance, you wouldn't want to use splashless bleach, scented bleach, non-chlorinated, color-safe bleach. All of those would not be appropriate for this type of sanitizer. You want to use your standard household bleach. I'm going to measure a tablespoon of bleach. This is not the time to eyeball or guess what a tablespoon is. Too high of a concentration of this solution in contact with food contact surfaces could make you ill. So you want to make sure you measure. Also, water temperature is important. If this is scalding hot water, that will render your sanitizing solution ineffective. So you want to make sure the water is tepid, it's about 75 degrees, and make sure you keep that water temperature low. A clean towel comes in. You don't want to use a previously soiled towel. That could harbor bacteria and encourage cross-contamination. So we're starting with a clean towel. Now, looking around your kitchen as you get ready to cook, of course, you will want to do any of the surfaces that you might be using. Cutting boards, that's a good place to wipe down with sanitizer. But if we come over into other areas of the kitchen, take a look under here where your dishwasher is. How often do we get under here and clean? And then another route of contamination are the handles of the refrigerator doors. You want to make sure you clean those as well. Coming out around through other parts of the kitchen, consider your light switches and your door handles. All of these are areas that are often overlooked when we're cleaning, so you want to make sure that you clean these areas as well. Once you've made your solution and you're done with cooking, you can take that solution throughout the rest of your house, clean your door handles, any heavy foot traffic areas, surfaces that are frequently touched. Feel free to use this in other parts of the house. If you're looking for a smaller amount to mix or other household items that you can use in place of bleach, we will provide you with a link to other options for sanitizers. I hope this helps, and happy cooking.